Don't jump to conclusions on Malta murder, MEPs are told. European Commission tempers MEPs' criticism on rule of law in Malta. Franz Timmermans jisħaq bla tlaqliq this is not on. Dawn kienu wħud mill-faċċati tal-ġurnali ewlenin tal-erba' li kwataw ir-reazzjoni tal-Kummissjoni Ewropea għall-attakk li sofra pajjiżna fil-Parlament Ewropew waqt diskussjoni fuq is-saltna tad-dritt f'pajjiżna. Attakk li kien orkestrat mill-Membri Parlamentari Nazzjonalisti. Iżda l-Kummissjoni Ewropea kienet ċettika fuq dan l-attakk. It-Times of Malta kwotat lil Viċi-President tal-Kummissjoni Ewropea Franz Timmermans li tlieta ħeġġeġ lill-MEPs preżenti biex ma jaslux għal konklużjonijiet maġlin fuq l-assassinju ta' Caruana Galizia.
What is not on, as far as the Commission is concerned, is to start with a conclusion and then look for facts to support that conclusion. That's not how we do this.
Fuq l-istess ton kienet il-faċċata tal-Malta Today li kwataw lil Timmermans jgħid li f'kull okkażjoni li ltaqa' ma' membri tal-Gvern dejjem kien assigurat li se ssir investigazzjoni serja.
It is good that the Maltese authorities also engage in international cooperation with the FBI, with Scotland Yard, with the NFI in the Netherlands, calling also on the European institutions and on Interpol to help them. What is not on, though, is already today draw conclusions who did it. I think we should be clear that we stress that this investigation should be allowed to run its full course, regardless of the consequences for anyone, anywhere in Malta, or elsewhere, by the way. But I would caution in drawing conclusions today, as some appear to be doing here, who's responsible for this? That's not now.
L-Oriżżont ikkwota lil Timmermans iwissil lill-MEPs biex ma jdawrux l-assassinju ta' Caruana Galizia f'logħba partiġjana.
That given the seriousness of this issue and given the seriousness of the questions that were put on the table, that we do not turn this into a party political fight. That is not what she deserves. That is not what Daphne deserves.
Il-Viċi-President tal-Progressivi Maria João Rodriguez qalet li qed issir attentat biex Malta tkun imqabbla Mal-Ungerija u l-Polonja.
Let me be clear, these are two different cases. We have a fundamental attempt to the rule of law when it comes to the way the political system works as a whole in Poland and Hungary. In Malta, this is not the situation.
L-Oriżżont ikkwota wkoll il-Ministru Mati Masikas li kienet jitkellem f'isem il-Presidenza tal-Kunsill Ewropew li qal li Malta uriet kif l-istituzzjonijiet fiħdana jaħdmu sew u qed jirrispondu għall-isfidi qudiemhom.
We are confident that the Maltese law enforcement authorities are capable of upholding the rule of law in the face of recent developments. The Maltese citizens seem to believe that as well, according to a recent opinion poll.
Intant in-Nazzjon wara li kulħadd osserva l-kliem dispreġġattiv fil-konfront ta' pajjiżna li ngħat fil-Parlament Ewropew minn David Casa, Roberta Mezzola u Francis Zammid-Dimek, tikkwota lill-kap tal-Oppożizzjoni Adrian Delija jgħid li wara tfieħ ta' tajn kollu hemm bżonn li jisem Malta jkun protett u li kienu l-MEPs nazzjonalisti li ddefendew lil Malta.